Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV and REALME C35. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning, make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi, and then on your smartphone enter YouTube app. Now search for the music you would like to cast to your screen. Enter it. And tap the button in the top right corner of the screen. Select your TV and confirm. And it's done. Now your devices are linked. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.